Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Braata Little Bay is a villa located just outside the historic town Port Maria in St Mary Parish on Jamaica's north coast. Just ahead is Cabarita Island, located southeast of the villa in Port Maria. In Jamaica, Braata means giving a little bit extra and hoping you'll return. This magnificent property is available to rent as a 4-room accommodation, plus a studio apartment. The villa has a private pool, an outdoor swimming pool, a garden, barbecue facilities, a shared lounge, as well as a shared kitchen, free Wi-Fi, and free private parking. Guests can also take advantage of a hot tub and a sun terrace. The villa has a stunning sea view overlooking Succabus Bay, where you can lie back on the swinging sofa and drift off to the sounds of the waves. You are now overlooking Succabus Bay. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.